Good morning and Jai Hind, respected judges. We are here from Sunbeam School now. I am Advik Singh and this is my teammate Parth. We are here to present our model titled as HydroSense, a smart and sustainable urban water network. The main idea of our project is to show how science and technology can help reduce water wastage, reuse grey water, detect leakages and make irrigation automatic, all in a simple and affordable way for our cities. In many urban areas, we see leakages in pipelines, overflowing tanks and wastage of rainwater. Our model solves these problems using just some basic sensors and an Arduino-based mini smart water department for the city. The central control system here acts like the brain. All the sensors send information to it. The flow sensor, rain sensor, turbidity sensor and moisture sensor for both rooftop tanks and community farming area.
The Arduino board collects the data from the sensor and send to the AI for analyzing the data. Then AI again send the data to Arduino and Arduino display all the data in the screen.
Beside the control area, we have a solar tower representing renewable energy. It opens like a flower using hydraulic syringes, showcasing how solar energy can help power up big city water systems.
We have also a sensor for detecting the leakage in the water, named flow sensor. It can detect the leakage in the main pipe and then send the reading to Arduino.
In the future, we plan to add a pipe for the flow sensor, and if it will be pinched, you can reduce the flow.
You can see in the display it shows leakage detected.
Moisture sensor, rooftop tank level control. These two rooftop tanks represent rooftop storage. Each have a moisture sensor fixed at its base. So when the water level falls and sensor dries up,
it identifies when the level is low, it turns on the pump. When the level is full, it closes the pump for preventing water wastage.
This chamber is for turbidity sensor. It checks water clarity. If the water is clean enough, it goes in the irrigation tank. And if not, it stays for retreatment.
Reading so normal, it's go to the irrigation tank.
Moisture sensor, automatic irrigation. The soil moisture sensor checks how dry the soil is. If the soil is dry, irrigation starts automatically. And if not, or rain is detected, irrigation stops.
LCD shows low moisture, pump on.
A rain sensor. Now I'm sprinkling a few drops of water on the rain sensor.
It shows rain detected, irrigation off.
So even if no one is around, system ensures that no water is wasted during rainfall. We have also added a unique feature in our project called dynamic water pricing. The flow sensor can record how much water is used by each building or the community. Based on the water usage, the water price can change dynamically.
Yes, this feature can help local authorities to apply pricing in the water.
Through this model, we have shown how simple science, coding, and simple sensors can help power up big city water systems.
Our model made through the automatic system for the water.
We have made this model using recycled materials and plan to add a mobile app connectivity for remote alerts.
Thank you and Jai Hind.